my lovelies, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to be making this twisted turban you are seeing in the video. This is a hair accessory you can wear on any type of hair that you have. You can wear it to church, to work, to market casually, to the beach, anywhere that you see fit you can wear this to. And also very easy to make. It's very easy to make. You can make this in under 30 minutes. So if this is something you're interested in making, kindly keep watching. And also I'd like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thanks for joining the family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for staying and coming back always. Also, if you are new here, please do well to subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the comment section. Also hit the notification button to get notified anytime a new video is uploaded. Now, without wasting my time, let's get into the making of the turban. The first thing we are going to be doing is to put our fabric on fold, and we are going to be measuring 21 inches by 5 inches. We are going to be needing 2 pieces of that, so we are going to measure it out and then we are going to cut 2 pieces of that. After cutting the 2 pieces out, we are going to put our fabric on fold again, and we are going to cut another piece out that is measuring 10 inches by 3 inches. So we are going to be needing only 1 piece of that. So after we are done cutting all the 3 pieces out, now we are going to sew on the part that is not on fold. So we are going to sew straight lines on each of them. So after we are done sewing, we are going to be turning each of the pieces inside out as you see me doing. And then we are going to turn the part, we are shifting the parts, the seam part to the middle. And then we are going to be ironing over it. So we are going to be doing this for all the 3 pieces. So as I said, we are going to be bringing the part that we sewed to the middle, and then we are going to be ironing over it, and we are going to be doing this for all the 3 pieces. So after we are done, we are going to be taking our elastic. This is a 1-inch elastic, and then the length of the elastic is going to be 5 inch. You can make it 4 inches if you want it a little bit tighter. So I cut that out, and then I'll be using my safety pin to insert it into the small piece. So as you insert one side in, you are going to be pinning it to ensure that it doesn't come off, and then you are going to continue pulling the elastic till it reaches the other end, and we are going to go ahead and pin that side as well to ensure that it doesn't come out. After we are done doing this, pinning each of the ends, now we are going to go ahead and sew the ends to seal the elastic in. So after we are done sealing the elastic in, we are going to go ahead and work on the twisting in front of the turban. So please watch carefully. You put one of the big pieces with the seam facing you up, and then you cross it with the other parts where the seam is not showing, and then you are going to go on and hold each of the ends as you see me doing, and then we are going to stretch it out just like that. So I'm going to repeat it again. You put one of the big pieces down with the seam facing you, and you cross it over with the other piece without the seam showing up, and then you hold each of the ends as you see me doing, and then you stretch it. And please do well to arrange them so that the pieces are aligning properly and lying down nicely and neatly. So afterwards, we are going to take our elastic piece, and with the part without the seam facing upwards, we are going to put one end of the elastic piece to the other end onto the other end of the main piece, and then we are going to fold the ends of the main piece over the elastic. So we are just sandwiching the elastic in between the main piece as you see me doing, and we are going to pin. We are going to repeat the same process for the other end as well. So you take the other end of the elastic piece, and then you put it onto the other end of the main piece, and then we are going to be folding the ends of the main piece over the elastic as you see me doing, and we are going to pin. After we are done pinning, we are going to sew over both ends. So you sew them down, you sew the ends down with either your needle and thread or your sewing machine. So after we are done sewing, we are going to cut the excesses out to ensure that it doesn't become the ends don't become too thick. And please watch carefully for the next step. So we are going to be sending the end with the seam inside, and then we bring the folded part out just as you see me doing, and we are going to do this for both sides. Send the seam or the end in and bring the folded part out just as you see me doing. Now this is basically all for the tutorial. So our turban is ready. This is the end of the making of the turban. You can make this for yourself, your babies, as a gift, or for your friends, and you can also make this and sell as well. I thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like and leave a comment. See you in my next video.